government representatives, Board Chairman, Mr. Raj Sharma, and the board members for Fiji Rice Limited, Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Ashri Pratap, and staff of Fiji Rice farmers and their families, recipients of this inaugural President's Award for Rice Farmers, ladies and gentlemen. Bulare, everybody. I'm indeed honored to be with you tonight in this inaugural presentation award. You know, I have always said that Wonolevu is blessed because we have the three commodities here in Wonolevu. We have the sugar here, we have rice, and we have copra. These were the leading products back in the early years of Fiji. If you look at it historically, back in the 20s, they introduced rice, but in the early 1800s, copra was the way to go in Fiji. Copra started the economy in Fiji and built up. Then Fiji sugar came into reality in the late. But I stand to be corrected on this through the chairman in the 70s when we got our independence. But copra and rice, they were the number one commodities back in the about 50, 60, about 100 years ago. And here we are today, about 100 years later, through the initiative of the chairman of the board of Fiji Rice, we have now come to that to come and recognize the efforts that the forefathers of this country, especially the farmers in the rice industry. Rice industry, as we know, is one of the staple foods in our society. It is also a food that is one of the food that the government looks to during disaster. There's a Fijian saying, like in Bua, I hope my maternal parents won't be mad at me, it said, sama tuaresi sama kalanga. When the rice is mature, there's no problem. You know, when we think about it, it's something that it's real. Because when the rice is matured, you can keep it for nine months or over a year, or 2 or 3 years. And then come hurricane, you know, hurricane can take away the tapioca and the talo, but rice is still there. So that saying stands to be true. And also for copra, we just yesterday, we launched and we awarded the copra farmers. I believe the government, the current government, the Honorable Prime Minister would agree with me that it was through copra that they got the education, that got the houses, they got the development in the Kaunrobe, in the province of Lau and Lomaiviti. It was copra in those days. And there were very limited products of copra. And you know, now, yesterday, we've launched the products of copra, but tonight, it's about Fiji rice. Fiji rice, as we know, is something that has been a challenge for all of us over the years. Even though there were limited support from the government, but 10 years ago, in 2013, when we sat as a board, I remember we were right there below the watermark. We were barely floating. During those challenges, there were challenges that were faced within the board. But through the good leadership of the chairman and the board directors, we have managed to steer our way out into the open waters. We have improved the meal. We got the recognition for the Fiji rice through government, through subsidies, through financial assistance, and we've improved the meal down in Raketi. We have encouraged, we have brought up a lot of initiatives to the farmers. We still have the challenges of farmers still reluctant to come to Fiji rice. But I know there are challenges that we have competitors out there in the business world. But let me assure you, Fiji rice is the product that we need to support, full stop. We cannot let Fiji rice go because on a rainy day, or during hardship, during cyclone times, everybody will go back to rice. And that's the reality. You can laugh if you want to, but it's sad, but it's true. So, I'm indeed honored to be with you tonight, again, in this inaugural President's Award. I recall launching the award about a year ago. I was looking forward to this day, where I will personally meet and hear the success stories from all the farmers and also the stakeholders. As I mentioned at the celebration yesterday, the essence of such award ceremony is to boost the participants and work on a benchmark to supersede the expectations of the preset. Having awards for the industry brings out competitive edge in participants, in this case, farmers. They in turn can share their knowledge and expertise with the ultimate aim of promoting and improving the industry. The President's Award boosts the company's worth and reputation and celebrates hard work that makes people feel appreciated and well-respected. Having looked at the category of awards given tonight, I am proud that we have more balanced category of awards that we are acknowledging our women and the younger generation. Our aim, when we support rice farmers and the industry, is to produce quality rice, supply it to a competitive market and sell at a competitive cost to reach the ultimate aim of contributing to the most dining tables in our country, in the region, and to our suppliers. I acknowledge and commend the board for Fiji Rice, to the chairman and Mr. Ashrit and Jyoti. I acknowledge you for your contributions and the tireless efforts for the recognition of our rice farmers and the contribution to this half-century industry old, about 50 years of this rice. So, you know, to you. Also, I'd like to acknowledge the supporters, household names in Lambasa, Hussein, biggest supplier of household materials and farming implements. They have seen that it wasn't for the farmers, Hussein wouldn't be here today. And now they've taken another step by bringing in the farming implements. We had the suppliers of the tractors and the farming implements, because they know Lambasa, rice, and sugar is their game. So I think it's very important that we acknowledge Hussein and family for their contribution to the rice industry tonight. I also want to take this very important time to thank the rice farmers. Without you, there wouldn't be any Fiji rice. I remember the time in the city was called Fiji Rice. And I believe people from Rewa won't be mad at me, because I know it was called Rewa Rice. But it was planted in Wonolewu in Riketi, and it was sold as Rewa Rice. So I asked the chairman, you know, because the farmers would want to plant more Rewa Rice, they want to plant Fiji Rice to sell at the market. But then again, you know, with the rebranding that we took, this is how far we've got. And I look forward to achieving greater heights in the next few years, to be the ultimate and the lone supplier in Fiji, and also to the region. And we have our overseas market to attend to. And tonight, is the farmers, this is your night. And this is to acknowledge your efforts. You're going through the hardships, even though you had limited resources to produce the products that you wanted to do. This is your night. It's a night of celebration. It's a night of acknowledgement of your efforts. It's also a night that the country in Fiji wants to thank you for feeding Fiji with the premium product of Fiji rice. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, to the rice farmers, to the awardees tonight, again, I thank you and congratulations. And congratulations to Fiji Rice. And I also thank the Commissioner for being here tonight, and a very staunch supporter of rice here in Fiji, in the north, and for his team for always standing by to help the Fiji Rice program. Like I said, tonight is the night of celebration, so I won't take much of your time. I would like to again wish everybody a good, happy rice season, and I wish you all a very good night. Nakawanin.